In front of me is OPPO Find X3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Then use this plus at the bottom left corner and hit Image to select all of your photos you wish to add. When you finish, hit Done at the top right corner. You can also hit Photos here on the left and access your Gallery app. Then click on the photo you wish to add and use this check mark, also at the top right corner. Then hit Done. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!